Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets and numbers. Green color, red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, and the last one is brown color. And now we coloring capital letter alphabets and numbers. Kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use green color. Now we draw A. The alphabet of A for apple. And the next one is B. Now we draw B. B for ball. And the next one is C. C for cat. The next one is D. Now we draw D. D for dog. Kids, the next one is E. Now we use red color. Red color. E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish. Now we draw G. G for goat. Kids, the next one is H. We again use red color. Now we draw I and use yellow color. I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw K. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lion. And now we draw the alphabet of M. M for moon. Now we draw N and use black color. N for nose. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange. Now we draw P. P for penguin. The next one is Q. We again use black color. Q for queen. Kids, now we draw R and use blue color. R for rose. And the next one is S. S for sun. Now we draw T. T for teacher. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. Now we use brown color. V for van. And the next one is W. W for wolf. Now we draw X. The alphabet of X. And the next one is Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo. So kids, now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. Now we use brown color. O and E, 1. The next one is 2. TWO, 2. And now we draw 3. The number of 3. Kids, the next one is 4. The number of 4. And now we draw 5. The number of 5. And the next one is 6. Now we use blue color. The number of 6. Kids, now we use blue color. The next one is 7. SEVEN, 7. Now we draw the number of 8. And the next one is 9. NINE, 9. The last one is 10. The number of 10. So kids, today we draw numbers and alphabets. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.